And responding to Governor Ajay Bhalla's appeal on the last day of the deadline for surrendering of looted arms, several sophisticated weapons, combat gears, large cache of ammunition were surrendered across districts in Manipur today. My colleague Ratandeep has this report.
The deadline set by Manipur Governor Mr. A.K. Bhalla for the general public to surrender the arms looted during the ethnic conflict in the state that started in May 2023 and went for months together, and also the illegal weapons that are there with the public to the police forces and security forces have ended today. In fact, on the last day as well, there have been several automatic weapons and other combat gears, ammunitions which were surrendered by the common people. Remember, after the imposition of precedent rule in Manipur, the governor gave a deadline to the people which was extended till today evening, so as to for people to come forward and deposit the illegal and looted arms that they are there with them. And the governor had said that those who deposit it or surrender it before the deadline will not face any punitive action, but after that there would be strict action taken. In fact, several groups have come forward and volunteered as well, and therefore there was a demand that this the deadline be extended, and it was extended. One has to wait and watch whether the governor further gives a scope to people, gives a window for people to surrender the arms, because this has been a major concern given the fact that recently Union Home Minister Amit Shah had reviewed the security scenario in Manipur, and now with out of those 6,000 odd weapons which were looted, more than 4,000 have been recovered. Therefore, the thrust of the center would be to maintain this spell of peace that Manipur is witnessing. In fact, another important measure that the government of India wants to take is to open up free movement on the roads of Manipur from 8th of March. Remember, ever since the ethnic conflict started in the state in May 2023, although the roads are open, but public transport is not taking, is not reaching out to the entire state. Within the valley region, the movement of the Meiteis have been restricted within the valley region, and in the hills, the Kuki community people are moving within their pockets, and also to reach out to the mainland, the Kukis are actually taking a long detour through Mizoram. And therefore, now the effort is to make sure that the people are getting access to the roads, public transport hits the road, and there is a free movement. However, in this spell, one of the Meitei civil society group has also given a call to go to the hills, taking advantage of the public transport free movement. But the Kuki Zomi civil society groups have said that the free movement would be restricted in their area until their core demand of a separate administration is met. So therefore, there are several political connotation to it. But with this recovery of and surrendering of weapons looted during the conflict, and then if center goes forward and is able to open up the roads, then perhaps a situation would come where the center would then try to get the stakeholders from both the communities to come forward to talks, including their political representative, to find a way for lasting peace in Manipur.